Hi everyone, I'm Teresa. Thanks for joining me. I have finally got back in the mood to work in my yard. I've been on vacation all week. We've done a little here and a little there, and it's took me all week to finally get back in that mood. Took me a long time, and sometimes it takes you a long time, but just do a little at a time till you finally get that old feeling back. Because I always enjoyed working in my yard. I just got injured and got depressed, and it's took me a while to get over it. So hopefully now I'm finally back in that mood. Plus I changed shifts at work, so I'm not working at night no more. I work on second shift, and I like it. So I can work outside in the mornings and then go to work in the afternoons and have my days off. What are you doing? Leave it alone. Leave it. Leave it. The neighbors next door. So today I got out front and reset the stones to the front flower bed. Did have 2 rows of stones. Took one of them out. Took one of the bushes out. Was going to take the other one out, but there's a bird nest in it. So I have to wait. Them babies are gone. And there's another bush too. That's like the one I took out today. It's coming out of that too. I want them bushes gone. I want the area open back up, and I want to put flowers in it. Tank. Come here, baby. Hey, come here. Let him be. He's a handful. Not as bad as he used to be though. Anyway, I'll show you what I got done, and I'll thank you now for watching my video, because I'm really bad about not signing off. But hope you enjoy it. Sometimes you just have to go back and reset your stones after so many years of sinking the ground on you, unless you put all that, dig it out, pack it full of sand and all that stuff, and I don't do that. I just set mine on the ground. I did have pea gravel when I first put them in. I put that down. So that's me sticking with the soil now. And I'm not going back and put pea gravel again. I'm just going to reset my stones. And in a year or two I'll probably have to reset them again, but that's fine. Anyway, come on along, I'll show you what I'm done. Well, there he lays. My little cat. I got it at work, brought him home. Little stinker. He gets out of the back, comes around the front, and we let him back in the gate. But today I'm going to be working on that front flower bed. I got to round up my tools. Them bushes are coming out. I just don't like them. I wanted to trim up this one today, but it's going to get down in the 30s tonight, so it's not good to trim it when the temperature is cold like that. So I'll wait till it warms back up. When I see the night's going to be back up above 40, I'll give it a trim. And got to try and kill that Bermuda grass out of that bed again. Like I said, it's come back on me. But I got up here and took a lot of stuff off the porch. My daughter-in-law got me this, and I want to take it to the back patio. You want in? Go on. Ed's out there mowing. You can see some of the weeds out there in the yard, out of that bed, so he can mow it up. I'll probably wind up having to pick them all up. That's okay. So I'm going to go get my tools and we'll get started. This is Ed. This is my husband. Say hi.
Hi. Trying to catch my breath.
Yeah. Need the rest.
Butter sandwich and a chocolate bar. That'll farm you back up.
Okay.
Look out, big boy, and Tommy both.
For those of you that don't know, Ed had 4 bypass surgeries 2 years ago, so he's actually doing really good compared to some people. He's doing better than I thought he would. Well, I just got stopped in my tracks. I was fixing to take this bush down. just can't kill the birdies. I just can't. So I'll have to figure something else out. Okay, so now I'm going to go all the way up through there and reset that outer circle of stones. The ones on the inside are going away. The right through there, they're going to go away. And the bush, see where I trimmed it too far last year? It is trying to regrow. But since the babies are in there, it's going to have to stay no matter how ugly it looks. I just can't throw them babies out. And maybe when they leave the nest, the bush will come out then. This is day one. Got those stones reset. Got that bush dug out. And day two, we're going to get the grass out and that other bush behind the crepe myrtle. So I hope you'll join me for it. And we'll eventually get this bed done once I figure out what I want to put back in there. And I hope you'll watch that video too.